Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you 5 Michael's grab bags from Easter 2019. Okay, let's start with this bag since it was basically opened already for us. Inside it has 2 wicker baskets and they're nice and colorful. Eggs. 2 of those. I love shred. 2 of those. Some green grass. 2 of those. Washi. Beautiful. Strawberry scratch and sniff washi. Oh wow, caramel. Oh, these are all scented, and maple sugar. Oh, isn't that fun? Well, that was good. And they're each normally $8.99. You know, I put prices down below of everything that I got. And then this, oh, there's another one hiding in there. Peach. Awesome. Wow, that's really fun. Wow, I like that. So this was a $45 planner originally, on clearance for $17. Now it's an 18-month planner, 2018 to 2019. So here we are in May, and basically there's this much left. So that's not bad, actually. I'll give these to one of my girls, and they have fun. I'll just rip these other pages out. They have fun planning in their book. Even just my 7-year-old likes to pretend to be like me and have all the stickers and stuff. Okay, so that was one grab bag for $4. Definitely worth it for the washi and the shred alone. And I can always use more eggs for next year's Easter hunt, so that's good. This one I bought because it's got the bunnies. Oh my god. Look at how flippin' cute these are. Okay, so this is a little bunny in a carrot car. Oh my god, that's adorable. I can definitely put this away for next year. It was regular $30. I love the little flower and stuff on there. And there's a second little bunny. Okay, she is adorable. This cute little hat. And she is sitting on her elbows, laying down. That's super sweet. $30. Nice little pair of those guys there. What on earth is this giant thing? Okay, a giant carrot. Not sure what we'll do with that. Some more Easter grass. Some more shred. Another package of eggs. Ooh, I love these. Oh, that is awesome. Some owls. Super cute. $30 regular price. I love my owls. So those, I'm trying to give you guys a good angle. Those are adorable. Okay, we've got a couple planners in here and some plates. All the grass on everything. So these plates are awesome. There are 4. A beautiful set of 4 plates, normally $7, and gosh, that would be great for some table decor. Happy with those. Now these are something I'm excited about. A to-do spiral planner, regular $20, and a faith spiral planner. Okay, so let me get these off of here. These are not dated. I'm trying to get these off without ruining it. It's hard to do, but they're not dated, and they just have like monthly to-do list, 6-month task-focused calendar. So these are amazing. Keep up the good vibes. So for $20 regular, and I got 2 of them in this for $4 with all this other stuff. Like, that is an incredible bargain there. Bag number 3. Another pretty Easter basket. And some more Easter grass. 2 of those. This is a beautiful Easter garland. Okay, so look at the detailing on this guy. really pretty for spring in general. Doesn't even need to be for Easter. Okay, so let's see how many. There's 1, 2, 3 of these. Okay, so there's 3 of them, and they are normally $38. And then there are some sort of tablescaping decor. So you could write the item of food. If you were doing a buffet, you could write on there with like a wet dry erase marker. And then you could also use these as placeholders for people's names if you wanted to have place settings. So either of those uses, there's 2, 4, 6 in there. It says 6 pieces right on it. So 6 of those. And these are heavy tablescaping as well. And I'm going to have to look up what the exact sort of plan idea is with these. Galvanized place card holder. Certainly my paper crafting mind can do something with these, and I get, oh gosh, I have so many. This is why this bag was so heavy. I have 16 pieces in the 2 small ones, 12 pieces in the big ones, and so I have 4 all together. So that's interesting. So no real surprises in there. I could kind of see everything that was in that bag. This bag, however, I don't know. There's a wreath. Have no idea what it looks like. Oh, it's got some pretty ribbon. Okay, let's take this. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm super glad I got this. Look at this, you guys. I'm going to have to move some of the stuff off this table so you can see everything. It's an oval-shaped wreath. Okay, I'm going to move this stuff. Okay, made some more room. This is regular $70 in this grab bag for 4. It's got these flowers, this gorgeous Happy Easter bow, and all of this in an oval wreath. So pretty. That is great. And this metal bunny on there as well, which actually could come off if you wanted to just make it a spring wreath and not have it be very like specific to Easter. But otherwise, that is like a great find. Beautiful. Let's see what else came in this $4 bag. Some more eggs. Happy to have those for next year. Some stickers, perfect for my daughters. This is the bag I was telling you about. I got one in my Easter swap from Jana, and I loved that bag. That actually, I could peek through and see that bag there. Got an Easter egg ornament. Aren't these adorable little birds? Cute. Oh my gosh, my daughter's going to be so ecstatic. My one girl bought one of these with her own money. They were $8, and now I have one for my other daughter. She's just going to be in her glory. These are adorable. I love these. $5 each normally for these cans, and that is so cute with that little cottontail on there. Precious. Some more thread. You can never have too much for Happy Mail. This is fantastic. And beautiful ribbon. Love it. Got polka dots on it. Another Easter egg for hanging, and this one is an Easter egg that opens up inside. It's a little dented there, but you can just probably poke that back out. That's too bad that that's dented, because that is super cute, and it was $9 normally. And that is this bag. Okay, and on to the final bag. So, I'm trying to remember how much it was. Well, they're $4 each, and I have 5 of them. I will do totals. Oh yeah, this is one of the best bags. I was very happy to see all these planners in here. Okay, first let's start with this interesting thing. A Bunny Hutch sugar kit includes pre-baked cookies. Awesome. Oh gosh, the girls are going to have a blast doing that. So they'll have a fun time putting that together. Some more thread. Okay, I'll take out a pink grass this time. Look at those, you guys. These are amazing. Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not sure what this is. Stuck around. Another one of these. This time I've got a blue basket, which is nice to change up. I've got 2 girls and a boy, so okay, that is something. It's like a nest, but it's a basket, so you could put it out for display with all sorts of pretty Easter eggs and things inside, and create a really nice Easter display for them. And that's something. And you don't even have to use it for Easter specifically, because it just could be like a bird's nest any time of year. And that was a $45 basket. So in here, a 12-month spiral planner. This one is dated January to December. So they're halfway through this one. A goal planner. This one is undated. That's great. A to-do planner, the same one I got already, undated. Undated holiday keepsake. This will be handy for me and my December dailies. And then another undated 12-month planner. These days will make the greatest memories. And, oh, it's even got some stickers and stuff inside there. Wish I could get these things off without wrecking the cover, but I might be giving some of them as gifts, so I don't want to ruin the... Well, I'm going to keep a to-do planner for sure, so let's open that. Let's keep one of these. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh, that's why it was attached by... There. Okay, let's see what this is. Keep up the good vibes. Notes and thoughts, monthly to-do, priority list and notes. Morning, afternoon, evening. Oh, so you can plan out by a day of the week. And then here comes the to-do list. Errands, housekeeping, things that you need to buy, appointments that you have. And then it goes like this. Week. So it's the week that you have, specific things that you need to do, the week that you have things to do. And then I guess you basically would just go, so we could start this in May. You've got some thoughts, whatever your routine is. And it goes throughout like that. And then in the end, list, my list. So it could be a list of any number of things, and it just goes all the way to the very end. Oh, and look at that. It's got the stickers, so you can start the month where you like, and you could put those stickers on the tabs. Isn't that clever? So just the one page of stickers. But you can then, if you're starting it in May, you can just put your May on there, and then that's really great. So look at that. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100 worth of planners. The only one that's dated is this unicorn one, and otherwise, amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I will add up all the totals. You'll probably know it already. I'll have it in the title or the thumbnail, and we'll see how much money we saved. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I seem to be unboxing grab bags every season. And here are a few still pictures of all of the close-ups of things that came inside this wonderful Easter surprise of grab bags. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next time.